My live streaming is always like this, new friends. We do a tutorial first to use the materials, use the chain, use the beads, use the charms, and later people know how to use it. Then you order, you claim. Yeah, it's help the new, especially the new starter, to not going to be waste the materials. Yeah, so we just make the materials, make a design, then we do the tutorial. We do the tutorial, then we claim, we show the material what we used. Okay, next one, let's going to use another one for the, let's show another material. Okay, very cute toggle clasper. Very cute toggle clasper. Let's see if you are want to do the necklace or bracelet. I show you by this cute bracelet. This one, the bracelet is especially good to make a bracelet by the mini paper clip. So here, this is a small cute size, the mini paper clip chain with the sparkly effect on it. Then if we are make a bracelet, let me show you. Here we can cut it in 17 centimeter, 7 inch, or if your size is small, just cut small, cut short. Then here the chain we cut here. This is the first, and we can actually put another chain. Use another chain. We can use a turquoise. It's going to be a turquoise bracelet. So we use this turquoise bracelet also in the same length. Here I put it with the cut here in also 17. Yeah, we cut the length here. Here. Okay, so 2-piece the chain we cut is going to be a very simple and bohemian style the bracelet. Then we use the small size jump ring. Here you can see I have many different size jump rings, and here we have a card. The card is to show you that the jump rings many different sizes and the claspers with many different sizes. And normally for this tiny bracelet, we always use this small. Here, this one, because here I have 2 chain, I will use this. If I only 1 chain, I maybe use this smallest. Yeah, here I use the second size. Here, this. Okay, here. If you are do the jewelry business, or you are the new starter to create the design, you don't know which size to choose, or you don't know how to make the jewelry, here I show you. You need a flat plier here. Put the plier at 3 o'clock of the jump ring, 3 o'clock. Here the top is the open. 9 o'clock inside the jump ring tool. Then you para move. Okay, para move. Then here not be loose, just keep the position here. Hang on the chain. Hang on the paper clip 2 chain. Then let's touch with this small cute flower. And so put the 9 o'clock back in the jumping tool and para move. So you see your jumping close it perfect. So it's here. Then the other side the same. your jump ring here. 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, para move. Here, paper clip chain. This chain. Here. This one. Here. And close. Here. This one. Here. Then see to wear it with this cute let me check what's the problem. Maybe it can't use the jump ring bigger. The jump ring here we cannot use the big size, have to use the small, because the flower, the toggle clasp, the hole is small, so I change it to use a smaller size. Here, have to use the small size, so I'm use this size. So make a jewelry each time. I test here for you, so you are not going to be use the wrong sides. Here, open. So the other side we just keep like that. Here, this, and the small cute. So the cute close. Then let's see. Okay, then it work with the so mini. This one needed the mini size jump ring. This size no problem. The stick size you need to let the chain or the jump ring can go through the hole. It can be like go through the hole, no problem. Then it can be work. So here, let me show you to wear it here. So you need the small size jump ring. This one match the clasper. Okay, so a very cute flower toggle clasper finish. It's like a charm here. So it's not only a clasper, it can be also a nice design here, right? Not only a clasper, it can be a nice design. Yeah, dainty bracelet.